Ciao beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Happy Friday. Hope you guys have a fabulous week and ready for the weekend. Today, Friday, is Friday freebie. You get a free printable for all your junk journal, card making and all your paper craft project. Free printables that you guys can download straight on my Facebook group or get sent to the newsletter every Friday at 9 p.m. So keep watching and I will see you very soon. Okay guys, welcome back on the desk. On Wednesday, we made together these fabulous huge XXXL buttons, paper buttons. I showed this tutorial taking inspiration from the one from Treasure Books from Natasha. I will put the link down the info bar here, so if you guys missed the video you can go and have a look at it. But these buttons were so fun to make. So yeah, I'm addicted, absolutely addicted. I've done tons. Just gonna put some in the screen now. So honestly, such a joy to make. And I have used my VIP August VIP papers. In case you don't know what it is a monthly subscriptions that I offer on my website. From the month you join, you get 12. For 12 months, you get at least two digital papers sent to your email address at the beginning of the month. You also get 20% off discount code, unlimited. So you can use it as many times as you want for my website. So all my kits, you get 20% off. And also every month, you get a cheeky offer. So it could be like another free kit, a kit half price, etc. So you get treated and you get super spoiled. So this is the papers that they were on August. So you still have time to join. I really recommend it because it's I think it's a fantastic value for money for what you get, but also these are papers specifically designed for the VIP members. And what I thought I'd show you, the freebies today are two pages. So the first one is this one, which is basically designed, let me see if I can find, yes, that's the one. So this is the one of the papers that you get on the VIP kit. So what I did, I created tags, you put in the peacock on top. So you get gift boxes, this is a meal carton, you get backgrounds, you got ephemera, you get, this is an additional kit, that's the third kit. So in August you get 3 kits. So this is part of the third kit. So I show you all the kits on Wednesday video. So if you're interested, go and have a look. So yeah, so this is freebie number 1. So you get 5 tags, they are the same size, and you get 2 tags that's slightly bigger. So if I zoom out a little bit, yeah, you can probably see them better. And then you get second freebie, you get a background. So this is a peacock there, so you can see it, there you go, on a purple and blue tones. So yeah, something for you guys to play over the weekend. Super easy, super fun. How do you get this freebie? So the freebies get sent every Friday at 9 p.m. on my newsletter. So if you're not subscribed already, I highly recommend you to check, subscribe. But also when the email is sent, sometime it could go into your spam or junk email box. So check in that, because sometimes it ends up there. So you get this every Friday to your email address without you worrying. If you want this one, what I'm showing today, because the newsletter gets sent out at 9 p.m. British time. So by the time you're watching this video, the newsletter would already gone out. So if you want those ones and the previous one, join my Facebook group and you get all the freebies I have shared in the last 3 years. Okay, I will show you in just a moment how to navigate my Facebook group. So guys, thank you. I'm going to go super quick, super easy video today because I don't want to take a lot of your time. Special shout out today goes to the lovely Denise. Denise wished me a fabulous weekend, and Denise, have a fabulous weekend yourself. Denise is so kind because she always commented my videos. So honestly, Denise, thank you for your love and support. Is always much appreciated. And have a fabulous weekend to everybody. Whatever you're doing, I am off this weekend, so truly enjoying it. So yes, have a wonderful weekend, whatever you guys are doing. Okay guys, so I am offering a £5 off discount code to all the existing VIP members. They actually resubscribed for the second year in a row, and I thought it's only fair that if I offer the same coupon code to you guys if you want to join. So yeah, so enjoy £5 off your VIP lounge. Add the kit to the cart and then add the code VIP5, just one word, VIP5 at checkout, and that will take £5 off immediately you subscribe. So just want to take 2 minutes to say thank you so much to Pamela, Rita, Eric. Yes, we have a guy. No, doesn't happen often, but we do have some guys in the group. So yes, and Martha, and all these lovely guys have joined in June, and it's so heartfelt because Martha, and I've asked her if I have the permission to share, and she gave me the permission. Martha actually bought the VIP subscription for her friend. So her friend, as a birthday present, so her friend, which I get, of course, I have a detail, will receive the kits, the discount code, and the offer every month for 12 months. Well, I thought, what is a fourth lovely present? So yeah, just to give you some ideas, you want to treat yourself for your birthday or treat somebody else. Okay guys, so this is the homepage of my Facebook group. So it's not a page, it's the group. So feel free to follow the link. So once you are in the group, you need to, of course, on here you see all the chats and conversations and what myself and all the members have shared. On here, if you click on files, you see all the freebies that I have shared for a very long time. So please go and help yourself. So if you click on the 3 dots and you click on download, and you will automatically download the freebies. Okay guys, I hope you like this video, and then if you love my Friday freebie free printables series, please consider giving a huge big thumbs up. It really helps my journey here on YouTube. Guys, if you like me, that you like John Journal, I will put a playlist here on the screen full of tons and tons and tons of tutorial and some other inspirational videos. So feel free to carry on watching. Thank you so much once again for your love and support. It's always much appreciated. I can't do the heart because I'm holding the camera with my other hand, but that's the heart for you all. Have a wonderful weekend, and until next Monday, stay safe and well. Mwah. Bye.